everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 30th of March to the 3rd of April 2026 on Monday. Philip decides to fight for Jack. Tao and Kagiso seemingly comes to an agreement. Nomasebe demands to be told the truth about her origin. Mpho and Melo's love bubbles is burst when Melo makes a surprising discovery on Tuesday. Swazi and Branims teams up to fool Fikile. Tao finally confronts Nomasebe about her no-show. Zondiwe causes controversy at the airport. Ntando and Fanyana complete for Kwazi's affections on Wednesday. Notle and Tao have some 1st of April fun. Zimkulu continues to manipulate Sebe, but she defies him and makes a shocking discovery. Nokwazi follows Mpho's instruction. Melo figures out what happened to the missing money on Thursday. During Notle's book launch celebration, Ayanda has another episode. Nomasebe confronts Mzimkhulu. Mpho gives Fanyana a job, but it doesn't make him feel better. Jack warns Mswazi about her father on Friday. Kia deals with a printing hiccup. Ayanda is Figile's worry about her latest hobby. Figile suggests Swazi to go home to her mother for a while, but Jack has other ideas. Arthur is forced to come to his ex's rescue. Mzimkhulu and Nomasebe finally face up to Tao, but things don't end the way they hoped. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.